Hello, welcome. I am KK Choi from SR Market Forecast. Today I want to share with you how to trade the US dollars against Japanese yen. With this pair, I am using the month chart just to analyze it so that we know what's going on with this trade. So at the moment it's been at the top for a while and now it's got a momentum of coming back down. As you can see, in the week chart, you can see that for the last year, the pair was in the high price and slowly losing the grip of the higher place and dropping in a little step by step. Every time it's dropped, it bounces back up, but the rebound is always lower than the previous high. So therefore, and also if you notice that the simple moving average, the price is actually moving below the simple moving average. So that's another indication that the price is lower, it's getting lower. And if you go into the 4-hour chart, as you can see, the simple moving average, the price candles was moving up, and then when it get to around November and December at that time, the price beginning to weaken and drop through the simple moving average, and the first break close below the simple moving average, you can actually make a sell there. And as you notice, if you make a sell there, you're actually making pretty nice profit. Although the price rebounds back up, but by that time it's already quite a nice profit to take. And then next time he breaks it, you sell again, and so on. And here, as you can see, yesterday the price dropped through the simple moving average and then just continued to drop lower. So as you can see, the price is actually retreating bit by bit. But again, you know, the elites always shake the price up and downs, and so we got to watch out. Even though we know the direction is moving down, but we still have to be careful that the price might suddenly rebound back up. And here it is in a 2-minute charts. The strategy is still the same based on the 4 hours. So every time the candles drop through the simple moving average, we make the sell. Okay, so here's the previous history, that if you do follow the instruction, and whenever there's a break, you sell at the next candle, and here you are. You can see the profit. Although some of the profit is not that great, but at least is making money. In this case, there was a failure of the trade because the price managed to drop through the simple moving average and straight away bounce back up. But as long as we believe that the system the strategy works, eventually this trade also continued to make a lot of profits, as you can see at the bottom there, because that rebound was really created by the elites to shake off those sellers at the previous minutes. And so we are coming to today, and now at the moment the price is bounced back up above the simple moving average. I'm going to wait for the simple moving average to meet with the price. That is the price coming down and breaking that, and it should do in about a few minutes time. As you can see, the momentum of the candle is slowly retreating back down. So I expect the price will drop through, and once it's dropped through and the next candle that closed below it, that is the area that I'm going to make the sell. And so I'm getting things ready. As you can see, I only go along with the trend, try my best not to go against the trend, unless I see that the price is dropped to a very strong support level, which were back in the day or week or even month chart. Otherwise there's no buy trade, only the sell trades that I made, because I know that even though if I do make a mistake, because the trend is going down, eventually my loss will become a win again. Those are the support and resistance that I have drawn above and below the chart here, and those will guide me along while I'm trading. So at the moment I'm expecting this trade to drop down to the support below, the green line that is below. Okay, so we just have to wait now. Come back later. Okay, welcome back. The opportunity just arrived. The price dropped below, so just sell now. Start sell trade. Okay, click into it and see and set up my stop gain, and also the well, actually not stop gain yet, it's stop loss, and then I set up my profit take area, and then just to let the trade run, and hopefully it wouldn't reach to the stop loss, which I gotta put right here. I'm gonna be safe, so I'm gonna leave the stop loss a little bit higher above at the two previous high, which the price could not manage to climb back above it, so that should be pretty okay at 2-minute charts. And then I'm gonna leave my profit gain at the place which I think the index, well, sorry, the price would get to, and then set up. Okay, it's done. So that's it. There's nothing I can do except to monitor or come back and have a look later and see how it goes. Okay, so I'm planning to do 5 trade, and through these 5 trade I should be able to show you how I do my 2-minute charts trading strategies. And basically I'm using it, the support and resistance and simple moving average, and then also look at into the candles, the shape and the style and the movement and momentum of the candles, and actually that's the most important part. Well, the price still remained a similar area, and it's not much changed yet, so just have to be patient. You know, sometimes trading this, you know, it's always good to find the direction of the trade, so you could go along together with it instead of go against it, because there's no way we can guess the bottom. But then if the trend's going down, meaning the market's selling it, so it just makes life more easier. So as you can see, the trade is moving down slowly and beginning a nice positive result now. So 40 something pounds, 43 pounds, so that's not bad. So now I'm going to move the stop loss level closer towards my entry point. So if the trade returns back up, hopefully it will not touch the stop loss level and kick me off the trade. So just have to be very careful. Okay, so it's all set. We'll come back later and see how it goes. Okay, welcome back. The trade is coming down nicely, but it did went back up later early on. Luckily it didn't actually touch the stop loss level, so my trade still in it, and now it's rolling back down, and it looks like again, you know, this area seems to be have a nice little strong support. I'm not going to wait any longer. If there anything actions with this green candle moving towards upper side, yeah, I'm closing it. Better to have profit than return to a losing trade. I could always wait for some other time, or could wait for a little bit longer and see how it goes. And it looks like this green candles is actually going to move back towards the simple moving average for a retesting there. So I probably will wait a little longer. Wait a minute, just let me set up the price first. Okay, so that's my entry point, and here's the profits I have made. Right, so yeah, I expect this these candles probably move back up towards the resistant area over there, that which is very close to the simple moving average. So what we'll do now is that I'm going to click into the sell box and set up a limited order. Okay, so that when the price do return back up to the simple moving average area, that's where it's going to hit my entry, and I'm going to set my profit take at the green support area at the bottom, and then I'm going to set my stop loss at the same place as I did early on. Okay, just let me move it down a bit. Okay, all set. Okay, and here's the stop loss just above the previous high. Okay, just about there. Okay, it's all done. Okay, well, just let the trade run now. If it climbs up, hits my entries, then sales begin. If it's not, then it's, you know, I do expect it to climb high because the green engulfing candle is pretty strong there. Alright, see you later. Okay, I'm back. And yes, the price went up from the engulfing green early on and climbed all the way back up and to the simple moving average, a little bit above it. That's where my entry is. Auto entry entered, and now I have a sell tray. I will just let the market run now, and I already set my profit takes and going to, and also the stop loss is already there, so everything's looking good. So leave the tray and come back later and see how it goes. Okay, back again, and the price dropped below the entry point, making a nice little profit here. And I'm just, this is 2 minute trading chart, so I'm not expecting too much of a profit here. If the price dropped to the support level, that's great. That would be pretty nice. But if there's any happening along the lines, along the way, I will just take the profits. At the moment, hits the previous support, which supported twice last time. So probably we'll have some problem here. So I need to be very careful. If any signs that is not positive, I will just take the profit and then wait for another go somewhere up there. Probably will have another going towards the upper side again. So let's have a look at this candle now. This looking good at the moment, but as I said early on, always look to the left. Always look to the left. If there's a support has done in the past, there could be a support now that could happen. So if anything doesn't look good, a kind of green engulfing candles that occur or anything like that, then I just have to stop the trade, make the profits, and then wait a little bit longer. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, well, look, that is a little bit too much for me to risk. So I'm gonna take the probably will just take the profit. I wait for that little candle now to see how it goes. If it move continue upwards, I just close it. But if it goes back down, then I will hold a little bit longer. So it's the candles that's telling me what to do. All right. So don't fight the market. I mean, don't believe it. Okay. When you see it's something fishy going on right now at the moment, right? It's not looking good. So I'm gonna just close the trade and make whatever I can. Right. So there it goes. All right. 20 odd pounds. So that's all right. It's just a few minutes of trading, so okay, well, less than 20 odd pound. Not mine. Still profit. I mean, come on, you wouldn't be complaining, right? If you're making money, so why complain? It's better than losing money. Okay, so just let me set it up. So this is my second trade. So 2 profit now at the moment, and now I'm gonna wait for this this movement of upwards. Again towards the simple moving average, and that's where I'm going to enter another trade. Yeah, it looks like it is going to climb back up to that support or to that resistance area. Okay, and that's where the simple moving average is as well, so that will be the place I'm going to make another sell. Okay, so just watch out. Oh, it's gone past it, looking very strong there. But look at the candle on the left, the red one. That red one's pretty strong. Okay, so I was gonna mark up that circle here and circle there. Those 3 areas is the support area, which alerts me. So next time it happens again, it's the 4th time. Usually the 4th time will be weakened. Oh, the candles could not manage to climb over the previous red. So that's a good signal, sign that the price is respecting that red. Okay, so whoever is creating that red candle doesn't want the price to climb any higher. So I'm gonna set up I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, and then I will set up a sell trade. Okay, right. Okay, just wait. Have to wait. Ooh, it's gonna climb higher now. Okay, well, seems like the price do respect the red strong red candle there. Okay, just have to wait a little bit longer. You got to be patient when you're trading this. Okay, good. Okay, the next candle is a red candle, and it looks very negative towards the downside. All right, so let's see. Looks like I'm gonna go for it. Give a few more minutes and see. See, there's the simple moving average give me the faith, and then there's a resistance line, and then there's a strong red candle that went down last time. So those are the indications that are giving me instruction to what to do next. And if this candle I'm waiting for turns to be a red candle, then it will be a signal for me to enter. While I'm waiting for it to happen, I'm going to draw some indications at the top. So the white box I'm just drawn is the I believe to be the candles of the elites. As you can see, when the index climbs back, it couldn't able to break the previous high, and then also this one, that's a previous one. So those are the indications that the trend is going down. What helps me to understand where about is the strong resistance area is. That would probably also my stop loss if I am going to set up stop loss. I don't usually set stop loss in 2-minute chart trading because it happens so fast. I often will look at it and monitoring the trades frequently. And I'm going to mark out the resistance lines above based on the box I've drawn, so that when the price do climbs on top at those lines, I know that those are strong resistance areas that could push the price back down. Okay. Right, at the moment the trade still dangling in this area. It's not giving us indications of a sell trade yet. So I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and probably will make a move to sell if that candles turn into a red negative candle, which could happen any times, because you know sometimes the price could move very fast. So just have to watch out for it. Okay, well, it's not happening yet, so come back later then. Alright, back again. Yes, the price dropped below the simple moving average, and it's a red candle, signal for me to enter into a sell trade. The sell trade is entered, and now it's already created small little profits. Set up my stop loss area above the elite, well, to me it's an elite candle, and then I'm going to set up my profit take area, which is the same area based on my expectation at the support below the green color line. Alright, so it's all set. So that's done, and let's have a look what's going on with the candle here. It looks a strong another green candles occur after the previous red, so that's a good sign, and it's coming down nicely. Now I'm going to be very careful at this because previously there was a strong support here. It supported 3 times already, so when that trade came down and meet that area, I probably would see how the candle react, and again if it's going to be a reverse into a green, I'm going to take profit instead of wait for it to drop to the support. Although I set my profit take there, but you know, because I'm here watching the trade, I will make sure that my trade will not become a losing trade. Looking good. Okay, it's coming down nicely. It's touching the support area, the mini support area there. Oh, why is it so slow? Oh, okay, it's a little profit there. Should I take it or not? Or should I just wait a little bit longer? Set up first. Set up, and if anything's going on there, there's a lot of reaction from the market there. So if anything that's strange going on, I just get out and make whatever profit I'm making. Have to be patient. Okay, I'm out of the trade. Now we're gonna wait for it, you know. Take the profit. Oh, look. That is a very good sign. Once that support line breaks, it means that after a little while trying, it's weakened it, and it will eventually breaks and drop lower. So that's a very good sign. But never mind, you know, I make 3 trades already, and 3 trades profitable, and it's making money, so that's good. But that area will still continue to push the price back up, because you can see there's a little, there it goes, yeah, it pushed the price back up. I will probably re-enter around here in this area, and this area is becoming a new resistant area. So I'm gonna put my arrow there, here, and it could be here. Okay, those 2 areas will become a resistance that may be a place for me to re-enter a sell. All right, so I just have to wait for this candle now to finish and see how it goes. It does look like it's pushing back up again. Right, while I'm waiting, I gotta type out how much I made so far. The total profit is £104. That's not bad for this hour and so trading. Okay, so let's have a close look at what's going on with this candle. Look like it's positive. It looks like it's going down again. Okay, let's go and set it up. Get ready, come on. So slow. Oh, come on. See, that's what happened. The internet sometimes really is slow. Unbelievable. Never mind. Well, as I say, the 4th time is managed to drop through it. Okay, there's nothing I can do now but to watch and feel gutted. But there's no need to feel that anyway. So I'm gonna wait now for it to come back up and climb back to the top, and there on those resistance areas I will probably do another sale. Alright, come back later and find out and see can I able to make that sell when the price rebounds back up there in the resist area. Okay, so catch you later. Okay, I'm back, and you can see the price bounced back up to the resistance area, which was a support zone early on, and now it's become resistance. And here the price is retreating again, so the previous candle was very strong, so indicate a retreat was going to continue. This could be just a what you call it, the stop loss area, where a lot of people were thinking the price would go up, and they set up their stop loss just below those candles in the previous minutes there. So that is what's caused it. So I'm going to set up a sell trade now, and hopefully that it will continue to drop through, because it seems like if you look at the left hand side with those large red candles, that's those red candles that's engulfing down, well, those are not done by ordinary people. They are done by the institutes and investment banks. So they are strong, powerful candles that wanted to push the price further low. So I believe that's the case. Then I want to set up this sell. Hopefully we'll break this trend, asset break the trend, and move faster towards my support area where I should take profits. At the moment, let me see. Oh, I wish the internet could be a bit faster. Let's see. This would be my 4th trade, and it's making 24, 23. It looks like there's a little wars going on. It's back and forth, and I probably will take profit here just in case anything could happen, because you don't know how the market react. It could just push the price all the way back up again. So let's have a look. Now it's climbing back up, so I'm gonna take my profit here. So making small profits better than making none. Same, yeah. Never mind. Yeah, it's gonna go back up. All right, just take the profit here, small little one, and it's a 4th trade in a positive result. So that at least that's good. You know, I don't want to make a fool of myself by making negative negative trade, right? So luckily I took it, otherwise I'm in trouble. Okay, let me just mark it out quickly. I want to make it quick because it seems like there's good chances continue to sell the trade here. All right, luckily it's gonna touch that resistance and drop again maybe. Okay, let's see what happened. It's still a negative candle. Okay. Yep, it's still a negative candle. I could still go for that one. It's looked like. Oh, let's see. I gotta wait a little bit longer. Oh, it's turning back green again. So once this candle drop below previous red, that would be the indication. Or maybe when it climbs to the resistant area, okay, that will be the place that I gotta enter. Because I'm still expecting the price to drop to the support level down below the green line. So that was the second trade, and this the third trade, and now that one there's the fourth trade. I coming up to the last trade for this live trading recording. Alright, let's see what's going on with this candle here. It's always when the candle finishes, okay, that's to let me know what's going on. Oh, it's going back to red again, so it looks like there is a chance of continue a drop. Alright, get ready, get myself ready. Once the candle confirm, entered another sell. Okay. All right. See, when you come to this area, it's kind of dangerous because there's a lot of market think that this area is kind of cheap, so they tend to push the price back up again. But the elites wanted to go down, so there's going to be a lot of tug of war, you know, back and forth, back and forth. Alright, so I'm going to set my take profit area instead of the green line, which I expected, because it seems like there's going to be a war zone here. So I'm going to take my profit at the wick of the last previous candle, and then I'm going to have a stop loss just above the previous candle, red. So with this setting, that this trade should be safe from losing too much, and not too greedy to take the profit there. Okay, making a loss right now. Okay, anything happen, if anything doesn't look good, I just have to close the trade and end the trade with a negative result if I have to. But it's looking good. Actually, it's coming up lunchtime, so I probably just want to end the trade fast as I can to make it into 5 trade on a row again with a positive result, and there it is, looking good. It's like a horse race here, isn't it? Alright, so almost touched my profit take area. Oh, it's bounced back up again. No, now it's negative. Nope, the elite's gonna push it back down. Come on, elite, you can do the job. Come on. Frustrated. I could have taken that profit and then I could just say done the job. Well done, Eric. No, I have to wait now. So trading 2 minutes is pretty stressful sometimes. You know, you couldn't really get out from the screen. You got to look at it all the time, making sure the price, the candles move in the direction that you want it. And when it's not moving correctly, you know, your heart's like bouncing up and down. Think that you may have got it wrong, like now at this moment, you know, doesn't look that good, doesn't look that positive. So, well, I set my stop loss at the top, so I got some profit there. So the risk will be the profit really. So see how it goes. Always do this with the profit account. Don't do this when you're just starting your account with your own money, because it is pretty dangerous kind of trading strategy. Okay, it's not for everyone. It's for people who have the profit to play with. Okay, that's good. It's coming back down. Good. Alright, I'm not going to wait too long now. Probably a few more striking downwards and I'll be taking my profits. Oh my god. Doesn't look good. Hold on to it. Stop loss at the top. See, when a candle moving like this, it would make me feel like leaving the trade once I have a little positive sign, because I don't want to wait too long, because the market is strong against the elites. The elites wanted to move the price back down, but the markets doesn't know it. Of course, they thought the price is good, it's cheap, so they want to buy it. Okay, if you look at the day chart, it has dropped pretty massively. So you know the market do have an intention to buy into this trade, but the power is within the elite. The power is their control. You know, they have the ability to push it further down if they wanted to, and I follow the elites. You know, I will not go for the markets, because the markets and the people just think randomly. They are not together, but the elites are. So they have the ability to move the market 24 hours a day, a night, while the market sleeps half the world and the other half wakes up, and then they don't even know what each other thinking. So the previous candle of this chart let me know that the elites are moving the price downwards. As you can see, many small little green and then a big massive red. You know, all this is a signal for me to believe that the elites wanted the price to drop further low, and here it is finally. Oh, I'm out of the trade. Make it into the 5th profitable trade in sequence, and that is enough for me to finish this video off nicely. Small little gain, but never mind, still a profit. And look at the way the candle is going. Oh, elites come a bit too late. Never mind. So that's it. That's the end of this video. And if you like what you see, please give it a like. And if you're interested in my trading strategies, you can always contact me. At the end of the video, there's information for you to get connected, and I'm welcome you to be my friends. So thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Okay, bye.